This isn't as much an unboxing as just a peek into what's inside G2 Combiner Wars Menasor. So, according to the package, it includes this and this, which I will show you now. When I picked up this box at TJ Maxx, it was already open on one side. So, I had to open it and make sure everything was inside. So here we have drag strip breakdown. I want to say this is a Wild Rider and this is Dead End. And you have Motor Master and Blackjack. Basically the set cost 40 bucks, but if you divide it into 6, they come out to about 7 bucks each, 666. It's a shame we didn't get new pieces, like leg pieces, like with Victoria on their Computron. You got to make sure that your Combiner Wars box set comes with this big envelope. So you get a card with the artwork from the box. You get all the instructions for the Stunticons on one sheet. The other side tells you how to form Menasor. And the coolest thing is you get this big poster. There is a JPEG version of this out there. It says courage is stronger when combined. And it's a Menasor. I don't know who the artist is. The back is just white. I think it might be Marcelo Materi. Alright, so that's it for G2 Menasor. I don't know if I'll do a review. I didn't do a review of the Combiner Wars, guys, because of my filming conditions. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Bye.